parents were headed back to their cottage across the frozen lake when the ice began to crack. They went straight under, and every attempt to pull themselves out just caused more ice to break away, plunging them back into the water. For 10 minutes they tread water, slowly freezing to death, saying their final goodbyes. When my dad remembered his Leatherman, he opened it up, dug it into the ice, and dragged himself out of the water. And with his Leatherman as an anchor, he was able to pull my mom out too. They quickly threw off their jackets before trudging back to the cabin. Who knows how they avoided the frostbite and hypothermia. But I do know, if it wasn't for my dad's Leatherman, my parents wouldn't be alive today.